Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can unmerge or divide cells in your spreadsheets on LibreOffice Calculator in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your table here and let me, for example, unmerge these cells here or that one cell. So what you want to do is select it with your left mouse and choose this option here, unmerge cells, or right click into it and use this option. And now these cells have been divided or split into two with the content now here in that cell, for example. And that's how it works, guys. So let me do this also with this one here. Select unmerge and that's it. Just remember, guys, that the content of these merged cells may need some editing. So for example, if you'd like to put that value or that content here into that cell, you will need to copy it from one cell to the other and also change the alignment, for example, here so that it looks like this now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.